9-year-old attacked and stabbed by teenager in Westmoreland. Nephew charged with uncle's murder in Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The detectives assigned to the Savannah Lamar police station have arrested and charged a 15-year-old boy with wounding with intent after he stabbed a 9-year-old boy during a conflict at school in Westmoreland on Monday. Reports are that about 7:30 p.m., a group of children were playing a game of football when a conflict developed between the two. The 15-year-old reportedly used a knife to stab the 9-year-old in his chest. He was assisted to a hospital by residents where he was treated and admitted in serious condition. The 15-year-old boy was taken to the Savannah Lamar police station and charged after an interview. His court date is being arranged. A 32-year-old man has been charged with the November 2022 killing of his uncle in Darlow District, Mako, Clarendon. Charged with murder is James Clare, also of Darlow District. It is reported that about 7:30 p.m., the now deceased 46-year-old Douglas Clare was behaving boisterously in the community, issuing death threats and wielding his machete at residents. Shortly afterwards, he was pounced upon by several residents who inflicted multiple stab and chop wounds to him. The police were alerted and Douglas Clare was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Following intense police investigations, James Clare was arrested on Friday, April 28, 2023, and was charged on Tuesday, May 3, following an interview in the presence of his attorney. His court date is being arranged.